Searching for a reliable used truck? Shop the area's best selection of affordable vehicles at unbeatable prices. Experience the Bill Cole advantage at no additional cost and enjoy an exclusive lifetime warranty. Enjoy a 3-year paint and interior protection plan with our advanced ceramic coating treatment. Rest assured with our theft recovery guarantee and more through our Cole Connect app, offering service scheduling, vehicle health reports, recall alerts, and more. Visit us in store or online to discover incredible savings across our entire inventory.